franchise kasi sinasabi nila mahal ang mga franchise, 'di ba? Ano yung mga dapat nilang malaman tungkol sa mga prangkisa?
Oh. Alam mo, I think unang-una is, ang franchising is a very diverse segment. Hindi lang yan food lahat. I know maraming food, pero only half the market is food. Alam mo, may mga services yan, mga retail, mga pharmacy, mga dialysis centers, alam mo, kahit mga breastfeeding center, mga nail salon,
spa, basahe.
Ang dami niyan. It's
Tutoring.
really for tutoring. Tutoring is a big one as well. I think.
Tutoring.
Una-una, it's very diverse. Hindi lang yan pang pagkain. But I think ang pinaka-importante din malaman ng mga tao ay, hindi guaranteed profit ang franchising.
Hindi.
Hindi guaranteed. No one can guarantee you a profit. I think yan yung maybe the biggest mistake na iniisip ng tao, maglagay lang ako ng pera,
Kikita na ako.
kikita na agad ako, iwan ko lang yan, kikita na to. Sabi ko, pag ganyan lang gusto mo, lagay mo na lang sa bangko.
Nakikita na, magkano ba ngayon? 2% ba?
Wala pa ng
Mataas ng
savings.
konti ang interest
Gross
rate
pa
ngayon,
yun.
di ba?
Really?
Tumataas
Savings?
ng konti sa mga bonds and everything.
bonds,
Pero,
but that's savings
pero
account.
hindi yan kikita agad ang franchising, you know? You need to put in your time. So maglalagay ng pera, pero kailangan yung takbuhin pa rin yan. Kasi
Time and
negosyo pa rin yan. Hindi naman kung kumuha ka ng potato corner franchise, hindi naman kailangan ikaw yung nagluluto araw-araw. Pero kailangan bisitahin mo. Dapat tingnan mo yung ano mo, yung staff mo, kakausapin mo, titingnan mo yung every week, yung financials mo, kamusta, kung bumaba ba ang benta. So I think it requires time and money.
Yes, oo. That's one myth, no? So, ito nga, well-developed na itong konsepto ng franchising, di ba? Kanina, mamaya malalaman po natin yung mga pagkakamali na pwede nating iwasan. But tell us about Philippine Franchise Association. Ano yung pinakapapel ng Philippine Franchise Association para matulungan naman yung ating mga kababayan na ito, I'm sure marami nang interesado na nagnanais na mag-franchise, kumita, magkaroon ng sarili na ng negosyo. Anong papel ng Philippine Franchise Association?
Alam, ang Philippine Franchise Association is the largest franchise association sa Pilipinas. Dito yung mga brand, mga 800 brands, na mga legit franchises in the Philippines.
800 brands.
Ang papel ng association dito ay to make sure we screen the right franchises para alam ng mga tao sino yung tamang franchise na kukunin. At the same time, we're here to train din. Kasi ang franchising, kailangan ng continuous training. So we train the franchisors, the franchisee. Para we make sure yung buong industriya malakas at healthy. And everyone's in it para win-win. Panalo yung franchising
brands na yun,
franchisors.
tried and true, parang ganon.
Tried and true yan. May 3-3-3 rule ang PFA. Dapat 3 years ka na sa business, may 3 franchise stores ka, tsaka 3 company-owned stores. And may 15-member board of directors yan na bago ka maging association member, kailangan i-approve ng board.
Oh, okay. And there's also this myth, if it's also a myth, or na parang there's this, yung mga OFWs lang talaga normally ang nag-i-invest sa mga franchise. Is this true? Kasi yun ang mga naipon na nilang pera while they were abroad. Sila ba yung kadalasan talagang tumitingin ng franchise?
That's a big myth I actually wanted to correct because, alam mo, ang Philippines ay 7th largest franchise market in the world.
Oh, really?
Pang-pito tayo sa buong mundo. And the reason for that is ang dami nagpa-franchise dito. Whether it's an employee, whether it's an entrepreneur, landlord, nurses, doctors, ang dami nagpa-franchise, even soldiers, retirees. Franchising's for anyone who has the money, the time, and the capability to really run a business. Yung gustong magnegosyo, it's an easier way to get into business than starting your own.
Parang, kasi may may template na di ba? Parang may sinusundan na sila.
Nandyan na yung sistema, nandyan na yung brand, tuturuan ka na lang. Kailangan mo pa rin takbuhin well. Pero hindi mo na kailangan isipin ano bang kulay ng uniform ko.
You don't have to reinvent the wheel.
Oo, even yung sinong supplier ko, hindi mo na kailangan isipin yan.
Yung kanina sinasabi natin na yung although well-developed na yung konsepto ng franchising, kayo, no, dito sa event din na to, somehow matututo sila to do it well. Ano yung mga mistakes that they can avoid pagdating sa franchising?
I think una-una is expectation. So if someone guarantees you a profit, I guarantee you they're probably a scam. Okay, no one can guarantee a profit. I think yan yung una-una. But second, look for something na you're passionate about. I think ang franchising, you're going to run it for the next 10, 20, 30 years. Make sure passionate ka about it. Huwag kang kukuha ng franchise kasi
hilig mo.
Oo, kasi may mga nakita na ako na kumikita yung kaibigan niya sa isang negosyo. Gusto niyang kunin, nainggit. Pero hindi naman niya gustong takbuhin. Tatak ang franchise, may brand, pero pag takbo mo ay equally important din. So look for something you're really passionate
So,
about.
that's in terms of success rate, no? You said nga, fortunately, the Philippines is the 7th largest franchise holder in the world. Pero yung success rate naman, gaano kadami? How many franchise holders are there in the Philippines? I'm just curious, ilang milyon ba yan o ilang libo?
There's 2,000 brands.
2,000
pero
brands.
200,000 franchise outlets.
Oh,
so pero
dami,
2,000 options
brands.
yan, pero
Okay.
200,000 ang franchise outlets. So ang daming may mga franchise. And ang importance sa franchising, hindi isa-isa lang ang bibilhin mo.
Yes, oo.
Eventually, kung kaya mo, you'll open 2, 3, 5, some have
correct.
100 branches.
Yeah, wow. So the success rate, dito sa 200,000 na franchise outlets naman, how long before they were able to say na, ay, successful na,
Ma-recoup mo man lang yung ano mo.
yung investment mo?
Alam mo, globally,
ROI.
there was a study by USAID. Ang success of franchising is 90%. 9 out of 10.
Oh, that's high.
Versus if
Yeah.
magtakbo-takbo ka, mag-start ka from scratch, ang success rate mo is about 25%.
Oh,
So it's
that's
a very
nice to
high
hear.
success rate.
Oo.